Good morning, everybody. Let's play chess. And this is going to be a review of the previous game that we played just a while ago. And I'll be playing white here. And who do you think will win this game? And what will be the opening? Let's try. So I open for d4, and it's f5. It's a Dutch defense. This controls the e4 square, and somewhat weakens the black's king side. So that's the consequences or the negative effect of pushing the f5 early in the game. Let's exploit that. I'll still move my I play my London style accordingly, and let's see if the theme of the game will change. So let's try to develop all other pieces available and convert it into a winning combination. H3 is how I started this attack. The queen left, the pawn open, so I capture that. Queen moves to g6, and I defended it. I moving the rook to g1. So in other words, I play rook g1. Knight e4, which is an excellent block in the center. It's really a monster there. Alright, try to attack the queen. Capture by the knight, recapture by the bishop. Then the f2 pawn. I capture the most important one. And the opponent recapture. So I block the bishop access to f2. The queen gave over. But I also blocked it with bishop f4. So in this case, the move queen g5 is an excellent move. However, I can still drive the queen away, and indeed, queen g6 is the best move for that. So I attack the rook. It moves to f7. I move the queen to a better position, better place so it can be more active. Oh, it's a capture. Captures a3. It's a blunder because it's just something that sacrifices something, but I don't think it's effective. Maybe the one is thinking to put the queen here and a possible check, but that would not work because of the block and also this one. So you realize that and move a5 instead. So I continue, castle, just to avoid the danger. Alright, a4, b6, rook to d7, attacking my bishop, and also a possibility of attacking my queen and capturing the bishop. Alright, but let's see. Move it away. Rook attack me once more. Alright, and attack the bishop. And there you go. This is a blunder. Plus, I can just take that bishop on c8 or a check. And I can take this rook or this rook at the same time. So my opponent resigned after this move, and we won the game. Thank you so much for spending time with me. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. And I appreciate you for supporting this channel. We'll see you next time for another exciting videos. Have a great day. Bye for now.